So welcome back learners, Remember in our previous videos, we've been doing equation of a circle, learners. And previously we've done how to derive the equation of a circle formula and how to find the center and the radius and how to use radius and the center to find the equation of a circle. So today I want us to continue with it, but I want us to do or to determine whether a given point whether a given point lies inside on or outside the circle, outside the circle. So example, let us do an example and see. So an example, let us use this equation, x square plus y square, which is equal to 25, So determine whether the following points lie inside, outside, or on the circle. So our point A is 4.3, negative 2.6. Our point B is 2, negative 2. And our point C is 2, 3. Our point is 2, 3. So determine whether the points lie inside or outside the circle. So we start with our point A. Our point A, which is this one. We are saying that we have this equation x square plus y square is equal to 25. So which is, we will just substitute, because this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate, because it means in this equation the center is 0, 0, learners. Hope you remember that. The center is 0, 0. So this is 4.3 square plus negative 2.6 square is equal to, how much will this give us? The first one, which is 4.3 square, which will give us 18.49. Then we have plus 2.6 square. Remember, if you square a negative, it becomes, or the answer is, the product will be positive. So this is 6.76. So when we add them, we will get 25. When we add them, we'll get 25.25. So 25.25, this one, this answer, learners, let us agree that it is greater than 25. So because it is greater than our r square, because we've taken a square plus b square, it is greater than our r square, then because our answer is greater than r square, then this point A, it lies outside the circle, lies outside the circle. So let us go to point B, which is 2, -2. 2, -2, which is 2, -2, which is 2 square plus -2 square, which will give us, that is 4 plus 4, which is 4 plus 4, which is 8. 4 plus 4, which is 8. So our a square plus b square, this one, our a square plus b square is less than 25 learners, which means this point lies inside the circle. This point lies inside the circle. Then let us go to the third point, which is 2, 3, which is 2, 3 learners, which is 2, 3. So remember our equation was x square plus y square is equal to 25. So which means if we substitute our point, which is 2, 3, then we will have 2 square plus 3 square, which is equal to 22. 2 square, which is 4. 4 plus 3 square, which is 9. So the answer is 13. So 13 learners, it is less than 13 is less than 13. Point 13 is less than 25. So which means this point lies inside the circle, lies inside the circle. So learners, in summary, this is what we are saying, that if a square plus b square is greater than r square, then that point lies outside the circle. It lies outside the circle. If a square plus b square is less than r square, then that point lies inside the circle. If a square plus b square is equal to r square, then that point lies on the circle, or you can also say on the circumference of the circle. On the circumference of the circle, learners. That is how you do it. Thank you, and remember to like, subscribe, and share our content, learners. Share our content so that we can reach as many people as possible and spread the gospel of mathematics. Thank you.